I'm Brett McMickell, so I'm the Chief Technology Officer for Kubota North America. Well, this is our second year at CES, and so what I really like about the exhibit this year is showing more of the breadth of Kubota. Last year we came in with just an agricultural product, and this year we have agriculture there, but we're also showing residential and construction, and we're also featuring how we're bringing it together. So what we're looking at is how do we complete the entire work stream for a customer, provide a real solution. So a lot of people throw around solutions and we're trying to define it this year. And we're putting together the technology to go and assess what's going on. So we have, let's say, a flash, an imager, ultra detailed imager that can go and do crop health or yield monitoring. Bring that together with artificial intelligence, doing the analysis. So taking that data, transforming it to insight. And then the power of Kubota is really our vehicles, is transform those insights into action and go out and do something in the field. So when we're talking about automation, we got to be careful. I mean, there's some tasks that are just safer and better for a robot to do. It's not a displacement. You just don't want people out like putting chemicals into the orchard. It's just safer for a robot to go and do that. A lot of the robots, and the KATR as an example, augment what they're doing. And so rather than have a person out there hauling around something heavy, you can have the robot kind of follow it around, like a tool chest on wheels, if you will, or we have examples of it moving produce. So it's really not about displacing the human, it's about sustainability of the operation. And then another thing to consider is a lot of Kubota's customers are small farmers or even homeowners. We sell a lot of tractors to first-time tractor buyers. So we're looking at automation on how do we level them up so that they can go and tackle tasks that they might not feel comfortable otherwise. And that also allows you to handle the labor shortage in different ways. So now let's say a construction company could hire someone that's maybe not as skilled, but still have the confidence that they can get the job done. So in the booth, we're featuring dig depth control, for instance. And so someone that doesn't have a lot of experience can still use an excavator and get a standard depth through a trench. So it allows you to kind of broaden out who you can put in that excavator. You know, I would typically contract out, let's say, some landscaping work or laying down a driveway. But with the new technology, if I can just take the drawing and put it into the machine and know that I'm getting the right grade, heck, I might do it myself. Because I mean, I really enjoy operating the equipment. It's just, you know what, I don't do it on a daily basis, and so I don't want to screw this up. But now with the technology, you can get in there and feel like a pro. We're looking at solving the problem. And so Kubota's been very open about how we conduct innovation, and it's an open innovation approach. And one of the reasons we started coming to CES is so that we can have that kind of dialogue with some of the tech leaders. A lot of the people here developing technology don't have necessarily agriculture front of mind or construction. And so we're presenting, hey, there's some challenges here and we need help. I don't care how large the company is, no single company is going to be able to develop all the AI models for all the pest, disease, the human interfaces. And so a lot of the time I've spent here is having conversations, trying to get together partners in order to solve these problems. It's really about solving the problem for the customer. Kubota's been around for 135 years. We've been manufacturing machines in the US for over 50 years. We've got a lot of knowledge on how customers use our equipment and the problems that they're facing. And now we're just trying to leverage the technology to help them out.